Hi, in this video we will learn how to customize the text of our design. Simply click and activate text element, then click this icon. From here choose typography. Here you can see that you have the opportunity to choose font family. I can change this one. Choose font weight. You can set letter spacing. You can decrease or increase like doing this. You can choose the color from here, or you can simply add the code. From here you choose the line height. It is the space between sentences. From here you choose the position of your text. You can choose it to be in the center, right, justify, left. You can set text shadow. You can blur the shadow like this. And that's it. Click save and check the changes. And when you select text, you will notice these features here. You can set it bold, italic, underline, strike through. You can add a link in your certain word. Simply select the sentences or the words, click link, click component settings, add the link here, choose the target, and that's it.